Okay, quick question. What color is a chalkboard? I bet most of you would say black. I mean, that's what they've always been. Right from when we were in grade 1, high school, and for some college. Maybe not all of us, but you have definitely seen it. But today, things turned out a little bit more different. Chalkboards are now green. White on black is very bright compared to white on green. So, what's going on here? Why are some chalkboards green instead of black? Did you know it's not just some random color choice? There's actually a pretty cool reason for it, and today we're diving into that. Trust me, you're gonna see chalkboards a little differently after this. The history of chalkboards. First, let's take a step back in time to the first chalkboard ever made. The original chalkboards that first showed up in the 1800s were indeed black. Back then, they were made from slate, a natural, dark-colored rock that was perfect for writing on with chalk. Slate was durable and provided a nice, clear contrast with white chalk. It worked, and for a long time, no one really questioned it. However, as more schools began using chalkboards, people started noticing some issues. Sure, blackboards worked fine in candlelit classrooms of the past, but when artificial lighting and large windows became more common, that dark slate surface suddenly had a lot of glare. It was tough to read the writing under bright lights or sunlight, and that's not ideal when you've got a room full of students squinting at the board trying to figure out what's written there. And so, the search for a better alternative began. Greenboard was born. Now, fast forward to the 1960s. This is when the green chalkboard, or as some called it, the greenboard, made its debut. These weren't just any old chalkboards painted green. They were made from a new, improved material, steel-coated porcelain. This material was much smoother, more durable, and less prone to scratches compared to traditional slate. But the real game changer? The color. So, why green? Why didn't they stick with red or even brown? Well, it wasn't just because someone thought green would look cool in a classroom. There was some real thought behind it. Studies had shown that green is a lot easier on the eyes than black. Well, wait. Before you take this the wrong way and paint your lens green, so your eye issue can be totally cured. Green does not actually have any special sight-improving powers. Myth busted. When you're staring at something for a long time, like say, a chalkboard covered in notes or math problems, green reduces eye strain better than black. It turns out that dark green provides enough contrast for the chalk to be visible without the glare that came with the traditional blackboard. This was a major upgrade for students and teachers alike. No more blinding reflections from the lights above, and no more headaches from trying to read off a shiny black surface. The green color just made sense from a practical standpoint. But you can't just sit, watch this video, and totally accept green is easier on the eyes. Fear not. I will answer that question that I know just came up in your mind. Why green is easier on the eyes? Well, this has to do with how our eyes perceive light. The human eye is more sensitive to certain wavelengths of light, and green happens to fall in a range that is less straining for the human eye. Have you ever noticed how green is often used in night vision goggles or to reduce screen glare? There's a reason for that. Our eyes are naturally more comfortable looking at green for longer periods of time. When students were sitting in class, often staring at the chalkboard for hours, having less idea their eyes were getting destroyed bit by bit, this little change in color made a huge difference. The softer, less intense color allowed students to focus longer without feeling like their eyes were burning. Chalkboards became more functional than ever. Of course, nowadays, most classrooms have traded chalkboards in for whiteboards and dry erase markers. Whiteboards are even more user-friendly, with their smooth surfaces and less dust flying around. But let's be real, there's something a bit nostalgic about a good old green chalkboard. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that the term greenboard didn't really catch on the way blackboard did? Even when they were green, people just kept calling them blackboards. Old habits die hard, I guess. So, the next time you walk into a classroom or maybe an old school office and see a green chalkboard, remember, it wasn't just a random color change. It was a well thought out upgrade to make learning just a little bit easier on the eyes. From black slate to steel-coated greenboards, this is a story of how a simple change in color made a big impact. Now, who's ready to write something on the board? Please hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Pretty please. Hope to see you in our next video.